In some of these European markets, after being closed Boxing Day, Europe is the DAX is down more than 2%, 2.4% just a few moments ago. There's a lot of blame, policy blame to go around when you're talking about U.S. stocks. Powell gets caught up, the president, the administration. Look at what's happening with Brexit, with Italy. There are political questions right now in Germany and in France. I mean, this is a much broader policy question, I think, than the United States, and I wonder how much that's impacting our market.
Well,
what's happening in Europe and the chaos there.
Europe is a big factor, and China continues to be a factor. I mean, you saw that there was basically no spillover of our rally into China. Hong Kong exports surprised everybody by being lower. And as Carl noted earlier, industrial profits in China are not big. So, I agree wholeheartedly with Joe Livornia that we're at a spot where things are difficult, and domestically, the big problem is, I think, the Fed has got to be clearer and tell people where they're going. They're not getting a lot of help from the White House on that, so it is important that they speak that way. And again, the Kudlow comments don't seem to fit with the Hassett comments. So you can see why the markets remain nervous.
Although all that did come right after we did have that Wall Street Journal report about how, former economic advisors going to the president. It seems like there's this group that's trying to shepherd the message a little bit more in terms of, look, don't be counterproductive in terms of tweeting at the Fed or at this market at this stage. Don't know if that feeds into actual policy moves or a negotiating stance on China, but it seems like that was in the air yesterday.
Yeah, no, well, you have to imagine that Mnuchin and/or some others are saying, look, you've set the stock market up as your criteria. That's how you're being judged. And yet by sending out these tweets or making these surprises, you're making the market vulnerable and weaker. So you're setting up a thing that it looks like your own failure. Back off. Whether that sticks or not, I don't know.